Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all your Miele needs. For those of you living in the Great Falls, Virginia area, we get a lot of calls coming in about are we a authorized vacuum repair store for Miele? The answer to that question is yes. We are a quick 10-minute drive from the Great Falls Town Center area to our location. It is very easy to find. We're right off the road parking. Lots of convenient and easy parking here at our store. Not hard to find at all. We deal in all Miele repair products, so that means all of their line of products, from all of their canister vacuums, their upright vacuums, their cordless vacuums, robotic vacuums, even their appliances. We do repair work on all these different things through Miele. Typically, a lot of things that we see on the vacuum side of it is loss of suction, not turning on, roller not spinning, odors coming from the vacuum. A lot of these repairs can be done within the same day, so you don't even need to really drop them off because, well, you have to bring them in, but you don't have to leave them because a lot of it can be diagnosed and fixed within the same day. Now, there are some instances where we may have to order parts. We may have to have the tech take a peek at it, which may actually you have to leave the vacuum, and we'll give you a repair ticket, get all of your information, and then within 1 to 2 business days, we usually have a good turnaround time on all those repairs here at our store. So we handle pretty much, like I said, all vacuum repairs for Miele, from minor repairs all the way up to major repairs like circuit boards, motors, core reels, different things like that. Typically, we bring it in. Once you bring it in and we diagnose what's wrong with it, the technician will give us the estimate. We will then call you or shoot you a text letting you know what the estimate is for parts and labor. Once you approve, we'll either order the parts. If we have them in stock, we'll get it all put on, and once it's ready for pickup, we'll give you a call or text, then let you know when it's ready for pickup. You can give us a call for any questions. So if you're not for sure if your Miele, what's going on with it, or anything like that, give us a call, 703-997-9292. We can help you out with all the stuff you need. You can also email us, like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as well as follow us on YouTube to stay up to date with everything that we got that's going on. So if you're in the Great Falls, Virginia area and you're in need of a Miele repair, come see us here at Ace Vacuums. All things Miele repairs and all things vacuums. Have a great day, guys.